how I made $3,000 in 1 minute time frame, my gold in one trade. Hey everyone, hope you all doing good. Welcome back to a new video. Today in this video, we are going to dive into the live case study, the live trade that I had on a Friday, pretty much last week, on the gold in 1 minute time frame. I'll be going to explain top-down analysis for you. So that's going to be so helpful. So as you can see, the trade was 17th of May. Gold pair, just I had my order was buy, take profit, the TP hit, and also just the before and after I just risked 0.5% on this trade, and I made about 1.5%, let's say, percent on this trade. So pretty much that was my B setup and easily make me $3,000. I also showed a profit in my Instagram. You can follow my Instagram, the link in the description. And also I prepare for you a free PDF of this case study that you can download by just checking the link on the description. You're just going to, it's for free. You can just put your email and you can easily download. And if you want to put any money, all the money kind of goes to the donation. So let's continue the video. So first thing first, I start to look for the market structure. So the way I just take a look to the market structure is so easy for me. I didn't take it so hard. So I just use the basic market structure. So now what can I see here? It's a bullish market structure, right? So the bullish market structure here turned to the bearish market structure because we know the basic market structure, we expect all the lows going to be protected and all the highs going to be take out. So once this low didn't respect it and take out, we know the shift in trend happened here and market goes from bullish to the bearish. So exact same right here, what we can see, we was on the bullish market structure, the price take this low, didn't respect this, to be honest, this low, and it goes from bullish market structure to the bearish market structure. So here the bearish market structure start. We know in the bearish market structure, all highs going to be protected and all lows going to be takeout. All the swings, going to be takeout, and price going to create a break of market structure to the downside. But here, as we can see, price didn't respect the high after creating this new expansion and just take this high. So here that's mean it goes from bearish market structure to the bullish market structure. So pretty much for me, the market structure is bullish right now. So the next step is the key level. Are we going to find the key level? So if you don't know what is the key level, I just create a mini course. You can just go to my YouTube channel and you can see. Also, I'll be going to put the link on the description. You can take a look to the mini course of the key levels. So now what we can see, if you remember in the key levels video, I told you guys, take a look to the previous candle first. Just take a look which area that price tapped in. So this was our yesterday candle, the previous candle. So what we can see, price tapped to this unmitigated week, right? So price tapped this unmitigated week on a daily time frame. So that's mean these unmitigated week here, for sure, we know the market structure is bullish right now. We know every POI, every key level above the open area, once the market structure is bullish, gonna be obstacles. So that's mean price just gonna give us a reaction, then gonna start to go up. So, and we know every key level below the open area of the candle gonna be a pro PI for us, and we can expect a reaction on it. So the nearest PI that we have pretty much below this open area, it's gonna be this order block, but this order block is too far away. So but are we gonna just mark it? And also, if we take a look to here, we can see price create an equal high here. So that's mean we can have a new level of the price on the gold because of this beautiful equal high, and we can know a lot of retail traders looking for sell at this point because of this trend line respect. So they was expecting the price tap to here, give them a reaction. So the thing is, one quick tip about the trend line traders, it's after true respect, they are going to for sure put their limits here. And as you can see, price just tapped in, giving them a little bit of reaction to just hype them up. And a lot of them put their stop loss above, at this case, above the second trend line respect. So this was the first, second, and the third here. So they are going to set their limit at the third. So they are on the trade in the third, and they're going to put their stop loss on the second. So here, between the 1 and 2, here is the most area of the liquidity here, as you can see in the market. So now we can also target that high as our main target. So pretty much everything is bullish for us. Now, what are we going to do? Also, let me just mark my obstacle with the red. So are we going to start to follow my checklist and going to low time frame and look for the range that is matched with my key level. So in the 4 hour, what I can see here pretty much is nothing. Pretty much is nothing. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So in the 1 hour time frame, what can I see? It's a bullish range that the range, as you can see, the strong low here, stop hunt and break off market structure here, match with this key level. So the rule is you are going to, after you find your key level in high time frame, you are going to start to look for the range that is matched with your first market structure and second, the key level. So here, what can I see is stop hunt. Let me just stop hunt, break off market structure, to the upside. So the strong low form for me here. And also, as you can see, my range form, this is the strong low, and this is the weak high. Okay, so this is the range. This is the area are we going to start to ping pong, stack, and everything, every type of the trade inside of the range. Without range, it means you're playing, let's say, you're driving without the car, without the, let's say, the machine, without, the, let's say, the gas. That's something like this is so important. We can't open any trade outside of range. We must have one mid range, and we can start to playing inside the major, minor range, side of it. Pretty much this is my major range right now. So because the key level is too far away, so what we can see price tap to this order block. So we can move our key level to this, but this is gonna be happen so rare on the market. In the live market, to be honest, I was expecting to price to come, take this lows and tap to this area, but I realized that it's too far away and market also give the confirmation here on the low time frames. Okay, so this is gonna be happen too rare, but once you see price, your key level is, let's say you have it, for example, a POI here, but your key level is, let's say, below that POI, it's something like refined, but also priced up to the high time frame POI and give you the reaction, give you the confirmation. There's going to be a chance that you can lose the key level, so you can go with the stack trading, the thing that I did on this situation. So are we going to move my key level from this area to this area? So these confirmation entries are so important for us. Okay, so as we can see, price tap to the order block here. Okay, so now once we have the range, the next step is look for the range, let's say structure. Is this, do we have any internal range liquidity here? Do we have any inducement here? So pretty much no internal range liquidity here, maybe a low time frame, but here what we can see is price just creating an inducement, right? So this low failed to take this high, so price take it out, and also this low failed to take this high here, so take it out. So our next target pretty much is external range liquidity here. So let me just change the color of this. So this is our next target. So we are going to targeting this external range liquidity of the range. And also, by the way, we can also target this equal highs here. It's pretty much up to you. Top of your trade. If you are, let's say, a swing trader, you can target up there. So it's up to you. Now we are going to wait for Asia session finish. So are we going to, the Asia session for me, going to start from 2 until 9 a.m. So this is my Asia session. Okay. So now, as you can see, by the way, in the 15-minute time frame, price, create the strong low, create the minor range here. And as you can see, create a T2, this low failed to take this high, tap to this area. See, to this order block. Also, this is a T2, by the way. These are inducements. So what we can see, price tap to this order block. It was the reaction. And start to go up and take out the external range liquidity. This is the minor external range liquidity. So the inducement takeout, once we don't have any internal range liquidity, price going to create an inducement. So create and take out the external range liquidity here. So pretty much what we can see, price created a strong low in the Asia session. So that's mean this low going to be hold. If Asia created a strong low, and this is so important, and the market structure and the main structure is bullish, that's mean that low, that's gonna be high chance that low gonna be hold. So pay attention to that also. Back to the 30-minute time frame. So what can I see here? Let's just play the market. So the London session pretty much is open. Now this is the London key zone. So here what I can see is price take out this liquidity here and tap to this order block as an obstacle. We know after internal range inducement or internal range liquidity is take out, okay? So price, all these strong highs and all these order blocks, okay, in this way, the way of the, let's say, the external range liquidity here, external range liquidity, gonna be act as an obstacle. So this is gonna be our obstacle pretty much. So this is an obstacle. So what we can expect on this obstacle, to price give us a reaction here. Okay, price can tap to this order block, who knows, just follow the order flow. So we can go along here again. So now we are going to go to the low time frame. Now we can look for a confirmation entry here on the low time frame. So what we can see here, price tap to the obstacle, and after that, okay. So, and after that, let's say price create a strong high here. See, stop hunt. So I'm just clean this here to just make the chart so clear. Stop hunt, break off market structure here. So that's mean this can be a strong high, but let's see. So see the range 4. This is our minor counter trend range. That's price tap to the obstacle. So and also we can see price take out the internal range liquidity. What we can expect to price take out this external range liquidity. This is just a minor. Okay, these are not, let's say, pro trend. This is a counter trend. The chance of having this scenario here is going to be too low. Okay, now once we go to the high time frame to look for the nearest POI above this internal range liquidity, let's go from, let's say, yeah, in the 30-minute time frame, what we have is pretty much this order block here. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. We can refine this. So we have the open area of the order block. At the 5 minutes, we can also refine onto this imbalance. Also, we can go with this order block here. So we can expect to price tap to this area, and we can go short here. Let's see. So see, this high didn't tap to our POI. So if this high, so this is going to be a red alert for us. So if this high tap to this obstacle here and give us a strong low in a low time frame, that's mean this high failed to take this low. That's mean this high going to be the liquidity target, and also we have an equal high here, so price can take both. Who knows? So in this area, if price created a strong low here in 1 minute time frame, we can look for a, let's say, entry and targeting this high and this high here, and also the external range liquidity, right? So we can target both, but it's completely, it's up to your trading style. So what we can see here is the order block here. So price tapped in. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. So we are going to wait for strong lows to be formed. So see, stop hunt here. We are going to wait for break of market structure. I prefer body close. So the body close happened here. So strong low form. So the next step is so good if we can see a trap as internal range liquidity here. But if we don't have any trap, don't forget price, we're going to create an inducement. So pretty much, let's say, if we follow the order flow here, what we have is this unmitigated weak as our POI pretty much. So also I can let's say, just take this as a line and call it as order block. So yeah, this is gonna be the area that I will set my limit, and I say, okay, this high failed to take this low, create a strong low. Are we going to buy here? So check the economic news calendar. This is my checklist. So check the economic news calendar. So yep. Wait for Asia session finish. Yes. Start from the monthly time frame. So if the day finish, we are going to start from daily time frame. If the week finish, we are going to start from weekly time frame. Let's say pretty much in the simple language, every week we are going to start from weekly time frame, and every month we're going to start from monthly time frame. So here that was Friday, so the new day start. Yep. Look for the market structure. Look for the high time frame key levels. We take a look to that. Look for the range that it makes sense with high time frame key levels, or look for the range that is matched with the market structure. See, this is the best and easiest way that you can look for the ranges. So this is so important. Yeah, you just find a range, 1 hour range, the major range, look for the Asia session formation. Asia session formation create a strong low. So that's mean that low gonna be hold. Wait for trading session. Yeah, pretty much we are in, let's say, end of the London session. Let's say near to the, let's say, NY kill zone. If you have any clear setup, yeah, I have. Choose the entry, direct entry, stop loss minimum 3 pip, average 5 pip, and maximum 10 pip. So are we going to pay attention to this rule? CP minimum 4R, good. Break even, yeah, are we going to also break even? So I risk 0.5% on this trade because this is my B setup. So I put my stop loss here. Below this is strong low, and I put my target here, so minimum 4R here. So this is the first target. Also, now here is the scenario for me. Here was the scenario for me, to be honest. So I was waiting for long here, and I was thought, okay, after price take this out, are we going to look for a 1 minute also confirmation here to targeting this equal low, and price can come down and play inside this range. Okay, so after this long, I was also waiting for this short. So that reason I just target here. I didn't go with the higher target. So let's see what's going to be happen here. So we just set our limit here. Also, don't forget in the live market, guys, just put your entry a little bit above your key levels, your high time frame PUI, doesn't matter. So are we going to go with this 4R here? Doesn't matter for me, but I want that entry to be, don't miss. This is so important. So see prices start to return. So because we don't have any internal range liquidity price, we're going to create inducement. Trust me, in every valid range, this is going to be happen. So see this low. Let's see if this low going to be take this high or not. So see this low failed to take this high. So that's mean this low going to be inducement. So in the low time frame, how are you going to know that in the low time frame you are going to see a strong high here? So in the let's say in the second time frame, in this case, a strong high here for an obstacle. So pretty much the obstacle here for us is going to be this breaker block here. So let's see this low going to be take this high or not. So in the second time frame, as we can see, price tap to this is unmitigated weak, create a strong high in the second time frame. So that's mean this high, this low is fair to take this high. So this kind of goes to the inducement. So now prices start to go up. So after price take this, so don't forget my minor range here is going to be from here to here. So this is going to be my safe target. This external range liquidity here for me going to be the safe target. Okay. After price take this out, are we going to go break even? So price just give the re-entry. So I just stick to my rules. I didn't go entry break even so fast. Okay, so as you can see, price also create a new strong low here, and also a trap that you can re-entry again. But I didn't take that because I was already in the trade, so I don't take that. But you can start to stack here. Okay, so let me just quick example here. We can see price create a strong low here. Stop on break off market structure, and price create internal range liquidity here. And we know after internal takeout, our next target is going to be the external range liquidity here. So, and as you can see, price just follow the order flow here, tap to this order block, follow the order flow. Now this is you can have a let's say another entry here, but I didn't take that. because I was already in the trade. So again, see this low failed to take this high, this is going to be the inducement. So price take this out. If you enter at this trade here, once this exchange liquidity take out, you can go break even. So I'm going break even here. This is the first target, this is a safe target here, and this is my last target. See? Just price tap to the obstacle, give us the re-entry in low time frames. Yeah. Done. So pretty much I make a $3,000, but this was a great simulator backtest software with TraderBuddy. So if you want to use this beautiful software for journaling and backtesting, you can check the description. So you can have a 30% off in your first months. That's great. To be honest, that's a great software. I personally don't use FX Replay because the FX Replay is just for backtesting. But this TraderBuddy have the backtesting and the, let's say, your live trading journal at the same time. Also, you can connect your MT4, MT5. You can track your journal, and that's going to be the journal automatic for you. So pretty much, I like this software. I use it by myself. I mean, that's great for me. You can also use it. So the setup that we took, that was a textbook setup of the stacking. So once we have our major range here, as you can see, high time frame, extended range liquidity. So this is our major range. After price tap to our POI, create a strong low, we are going to stack in every strong low in every bullish range until the extended range liquidity. So this was so clear setup. The only thing that you need just be on the right side of the market. If you are on the right side of the market, all the strong lows going to be protected. And if you are in the right market structure, bro, you are done. By the way, if you want to join to my private community to learn the course, mentorship, and also 6 calls per the week, you can check the link in description. Also, as you can see, the student also cashed the trade with me. So the goal is stop 1 minute time frame targeting extended range liquidity here. So 1 point, that was a 10R, great entry, stop loss here, targeting the high time frame stuff. And also this was great, 9R, let's say. That was a beautiful entry on the stacking. So guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and put the notification on, so I'm going to create more video for you. Also, don't forget to follow my Instagram and join my Telegram, and just let me know which content you want for the next video. I'm going to make it. So see you all in the next video. Peace.